Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tacoma taillight. First, gather your tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. You'll find 2 retaining screws on the tail light assembly that need to be removed. These are usually visible from the outside. Getting these ready makes the next steps much smoother. Now, take your Phillips head screwdriver and carefully remove the 2 screws you located. Once those are out, gently but firmly pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It should slide out of its mounting clips. Be sure to support it as you pull. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their small release tabs and pulling them apart. With the assembly free, you can now access the individual bulb sockets. Twist each socket counterclockwise to release it from the tail light housing. Once removed, you can inspect the bulbs for any signs of damage or burnout. This is a great time to replace any faulty bulbs. Also, take a moment to clean any dirt or debris from the housing area before reinstallation. To reinstall, first reconnect all electrical connectors and twist the bulb sockets back into their positions. Once everything is connected, align the tail light assembly carefully and push it firmly into its proper position. Then, secure it by reinserting and tightening the 2 retaining screws. Before you finish, test your lights to ensure they are working correctly. For more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. This final check ensures your safety and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.